What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a face mask to your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay guys, go ahead and open up your Snapchat and then go to the top left and select your icon, and then we're going to scroll down and select selfie under Bitmoji. And then after we select that, as you can see, there are several different face masks that you can select to add to your Bitmoji. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and save the changes. And if you scroll up to the top, you can see that you now have a face mask on your Bitmoji. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.